Spending time with your children isn't always easy, but it is important.
You might feel guilty for not hanging out with your kids, but there are laws that actually support you being there for them. Once again, here's Justin.
Have you ever felt so guilty about not spending time with your kids because you were at work? Well, a lot of parents have. That's why there are laws supporting parents' rights.
A lot of times employees feel like they're nervous, they got to go in and ask for the time off, they're not sure if they're going to get it, that kind of thing. This really gives them that empowerment to know that they are legally protected.
The School Participation Act came about in 1995. It's paid for by the state. It gives parents 8 hours a month without pay and 40 hours for the school year. Parents can use that time to participate in their kids' school activities.
It racks you with guilt. You're sitting there, you know that all the other kids have their parents there and that you can't be there.
Then there's the Paid Family Leave Act. It was enacted in 2002. Workers who pay into state disability insurance can get up to 6 weeks of partial pay a year. It gives parents time off to care for a newborn baby or a sick family member.
Mom will take off the first 3 months, and then dad takes off the next 3 months. So you have, a good 6-month period of time that baby has their mom or dad there to really promote that bonding.
We never stop being parents, even at work. That's what First 5 Fresno County wants employers to understand. But it's something that parents must also understand.
If a child has a good sense of who they are within that family dynamic and that they have the ability to go out and explore things and have learning experiences and come back, to that parent and share those experiences, it really builds up their development, their self-esteem.
And you don't have to spend a fortune to bond with your kids. Exceptional Parents Unlimited helps families with development. They say kids will remember a trip to Disneyland as much as they will a trip to the park.
And it really isn't about that. It really is about the time that you spend with your kids that is quality. And again, I don't think you can put a price tag with that.
EPU says it's never too late to start bonding with your kids. It's as simple as reading a book or setting up family traditions. For example, Cindy Stoops likes to cook with her kids, but bonding could become more difficult the longer you wait.
Keep trying, keep showing up, keep just kind of trying to get a small conversation going with them.
Let's check back in one last time with Justin.
That's right, guys, and we're all about this Family Focus series, and there's actually a future to this, and we've got our very own general manager, Matt Rosenfeld. And Matt, what does the future hold for Family Focus?
Well, the feedback has been absolutely tremendous. We've received tons of phone calls and emails, and yeah, we want to do this again. This is a great way to get information to the community, people who really need it, and actually we need your help because on our website right now is a survey, and that survey will give us information about what you as our viewers want to see next. So please go there, and there's prizes for the first 24 people, but we want everyone's insight, and please tell us what you want to hear more about, and we'll get it to you.
It's a great way to get people involved and a great way to get them more education on taking care of the family. So that's it from Studio B. Stephanie, Carolyn, back to you.
Justin, thank you. And of course, the more we can do to protect our children and give them the best start in life, then the better.
And really, you participated in this, so did I, and Justin. I got to say, this was rewarding for us.
We all learned something.
Oh my gosh, and to meet the people who shared their stories, a huge thank you to them, because without them, we couldn't have done this.
That's so true. And thank you so much for joining us tonight.
Have a great evening.